All right, what's going on, everybody? So this is just going to be an update on the Acura RL. I've been posting some videos about the car in the past, and I just wanted to give an update. So my car had been in the shop for about a month, a solid month, and I was having an oil leak on the car, and I thought I could get rid of it just using like an oil stop from AutoZone. I used Blue Devil. I made a video about it, but then I deleted it. I removed it from my channel because I didn't want to mislead anyone or make them believe that it worked when it was really just a temporary solution for me. It did stop the leak for about a week or so, but the leak did come back, and I brought it to my mechanic. And some people did have sworn by the product, saying that it works, but other people have told me that, you know what, when you have a car leak, you really need to bring it in, because something like that, a stop oil leak, like, won't really fix the solution. Won't fix the problem, sorry. So I brought the car into my mechanic, and man, they had worked on it for, like I said, an entire month. And I just got the car back, and I just got hit with like a pretty hefty bill. And man, it's a little depressing, because I'm like, man, like the car repairs, it's almost like they don't stop. It's like one thing after another. But I feel like with this recent car repair, I wanted to get everything taken care of, because the car leak was, obviously it's dripping oil, and I'm staining like the road. And I wanted to take care of it, because obviously, like, I knew that oil leaks were a big problem with this model of car. So I wanted to just take care of it so I can continue driving it. And I got some other stuff. Obviously I got a new timing belt, basically got like new spark plugs, a tune-up, brake pads, new rotors, and everything has been sealed up. So the oil leak has stopped. The car is running really good. I got a new oil change too, so the car is basically like ready to go. And I saw this video that was saying that after like a heavy or like a big repair, that it'd be a good idea to get the car detailed as well, just so you kind of have like a fresh start, and you can just focus on driving it. Because my mechanic did say that that the car will last a long time, and that it's a good car. I love the car, and he knows it. And to me, like, it's worth it. But I'm also thinking, like, man, like, this is like a big chunk of like my paycheck, maybe a couple of paychecks, maybe even more. And I'm just worried that, like, I don't want anything else to happen. I don't want like I don't know. I really just want the car to just drive well. I don't really do a lot of driving in it anyways. Like, I barely commute. I live super close to my job. I don't even need to drive. I could literally walk to my work if I wanted to. And I actually was, when my car was in the shop. And that was a really nice experience, because I was lucky, because the weather was really nice during that time. Hang on, I'm going to sneeze. Okay, I'm not. The weather was really nice. It was like springtime. There was no rain. It was just like beautiful, warm weather, like, like mid 70s. And I'm just like outside, just appreciating like just looking at the trees, taking in the smells of the flowers in my neighborhood. And, it's obviously, it's good exercise too. So, yeah, it wasn't a bad experience. I was really enjoying walking back home from work. So that was cool. But now that I'm driving, it feels kind of weird because I was also in Italy for 2 weeks. So there was like a really long period where I just was not driving at all. So like to be back in a car again, to be back in like on like LA freeways, it's kind of like I have to like adjust. It's like it's just something that I haven't been used to. I got to get back into the grind again. But yeah, the car, like I said, it's running good, and I'm hoping that I don't have any more problems because I've really spent a lot of money on repairs. And but this car's in good condition, and who knows what's gonna happen. I may sell it in the future, who knows, but after repairing it, I just really want to drive it as long as I can. And who knows? Who knows? I don't know. I don't have any plans, but I want to keep it as long as I can. And eventually, like, I something will happen, so who knows. But yeah. I found a detailer, like a mobile detailer on my way home. And I got their business card, so I'm thinking about maybe hitting them up to get the car cleaned, or I was actually thinking about doing it myself just to save the money because I have the supplies. And I'd have to just go to like my parents' house and do it in their driveway because I can't do it where I'm staying at right now. So yeah, I'll probably make a video showing that, maybe doing like a detail on the car, and maybe filming more driving and stuff. And because I want to post more content on the car, because I know that the RL and the Legend are like really great cars. And I know that people want to see more stuff like that. There's not a whole lot out there. And so I want to get back to doing stuff like that. So that's the update right now. I'm in the parking lot right now. I'm about to go hit the gym, get a workout in, and go home, shower, and just call it a day, and back to the grind tomorrow to work. So that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers, mate.